So in this tutorial we're going to look at if and else statements. You would have actually seen these before, or maybe when you were younger you saw that, like in the magazines they have those, which superhero are you, or something like that, or what personality are you, and they ask you like a series of questions where it's like a yes or no answer, and then you eventually come to something. So that's the same sort of thing as an if statement. So an if statement is just like, if this is true then do this, if it's not true then do something else. So how they work is, I'll do it in this. So you write x equals 5 or something. Then we say if x, and now so if we write x equals 5, remember how before I said that the equals was an operator to assign something? So we're in the first line we're assigning x equals 5, and now we want to do does x equal 5, and to do that we do two equal signs. So it's x, it's like a comparison of the two things on either side of the equal sign. So if x equals 5, we'll say fprintf x equals 5. Else, so if x equals 5, we write, it prints out x equals 5. If it doesn't, then we write, so we write that else thing, and then anything underneath it's the same, covered within that. So fprint f x is not equal to 5. And then to finish that off we write end. So that means it just closes it all in. I'm going to just put in new lines here, that \n, as we saw before. Okay, so what this is doing is, I'll write some comments in here. So if x equals 5 then do this, and then if x doesn't equal 5 then do this. So in the first bit we have if, and then a statement. If it's true then it does whatever's under this if, and then this else thing, if it's not true then do whatever it's not, kind of thing. So I'll run this just to show you. So I'll just call it basic if. So save that. So now when we run it, I click that and it goes x equals 5. Yay. So now I'll change this value to 6, and now we can see that x shouldn't equal 6, and so it should print out x is not equal to 5. So I'll run it, and then it says x is not equal to 5. So that's all it is in the if statement. I'll just do a little bit more of a breakdown. If you don't want, you can do if and then do like something like, you can do less than, or sorry, greater than, if x is greater than 0, and then do this. So if x is greater than 0, do this. And you can just, you don't even have to have anything after, you can just have just the if thing, not like an else. Or you can do, another one you can do is, if x is greater than or equal to 6, then do this. So, and I mean like do this, I mean like some code here that does something if x is greater than 0. Okay, so then back to here, if x is greater than or equal to 6, or you can do if x is less than or equal to 6, do this. Else if. So this is another one that I want to introduce you to. This else if. So it's like if x is less than or equal to 6, then do this. But then we can do else if x is equal to 7, then, so in this case, x is not less than or equal to 6, but x is equal to 7, so do something. Okay? And then we can say if x is not less than or equal to 6 and it's not equal to 7, then, so not equal, well, I'll start less than equal to 6 and not 7, do this. So that's some little bit. So we got what do we have here? We have at the start we have if, and then else. We have just singular if. We have the if, and we have a less than or equal to operator thing. It's a comparison. So like if this is true, then do this. If it's not true, then there's another if. It kind of gets complicated, but you kind of just think about it. Just think about it step by step. This isn't true, so then it says else if. Is this true? If this is true, then do this. If it's not true, then do this. This will become more obvious in the examples, but this is a really important thing about MATLAB. This is perfect for writing like any program. You almost always use if statements. So that's the if. Okay.